Welcome to another UniPhi training video. In this video, we will look at creating your chart of accounts. Your chart of accounts are found in the hamburger bar under Configuration. Click the Add button to create a new chart of accounts. Enter a name for your chart of accounts, and specify which category the chart belongs to. Click the Add button. Scroll down to find the chart of accounts you just made. Add a code and description for each line item. When complete, remember to click the Save button. These are all parent codes. It is possible to add child codes to parent codes by clicking the arrow button. Add codes and descriptions for all subsequent child codes. Click Save. You can view your new chart of accounts by clicking the up arrow. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info.